Nikki and Stephane are getting some much needed rest after this morning's dance with the symmetrical spinnaker. And you definitely know you're a sailing vlogger when your husband tells you he wrapped the sail and your first question is, but did you get it on video? I kind of felt bad about that for like a second.
Now I've put the tracking on. So we're tracking this target. And that's what happens to the wind direction of the squall. What is that? A 40-degree shift in our favour. We're pointing straight at our destination now.
Of course, on my watch, we found a pretty big squall, and we just doused the A2 just for good seamanship. And here's what it looks like. So you can see it on the radar. It's turned into a pretty big squall, and it should start raining. And we're kind of getting that little bit of lull. We had about 20 knots of wind as the pressure from the squall kind of squashes out. And yeah, we're just tracking it right now. 19 knots of true wind speed. And we're going between 7 and 9 knots speed over ground with just the main. So we just got the rain and a little bit of a wind shift, and it's over us now, which is why there is no wind.
Martinique! Coming!
Hey, Stephane!
High five!
What do you think?
I think Tuesday morning is like a full day of work. I think we could call off the rest of the day.
Should we lie down and look at it?
Oh yeah. Trying to enjoy it.
Oh yeah.
So what's her name?
I don't know. So far it's like brute force and ignorance.
She has a temper.
We need to lift those clues up. Look how pointy those shoulders are.
Right now it's flying, feels good.
Woo!
Oh, what a workout.
So I just woke up. What happened? I missed all the action.
First I'm amazed you slept through all that. Because that was a 3-hour battle. We had to, I don't know, we need to give her a name, but she's carrying a red collar for a reason. She's pretty feisty. So we had to get her
So what happened?
get in line. While we were experimenting with full main, it was working well for a while, and I was like, pretty nice. And then we were playing with the sheet, because it was rigged outside and there was some tension on the stanchion. So we're trying to figure out something better. And at one point we got a wave and we started to do a beginning of a wrap. Nikki went back here. I was putting on the line, thinking it will come out. And at that point it was like, okay, it's not coming out, so before it gets tighter, ease the halyard, pull, get the spinnaker down, wrapped around the Genoa forestay. Luckily, I think because the material is new steel and it's thicker, it was sliding down okay. So we got it down.
How many wraps would you say? Twisted one way on the top and one way on the bottom? Like
yeah,
that?
but more than one. So then it started a long battle, long tedious work. Because now it's all down there and we just need to undo everything and remove the sheet, the guys, and the sock line, and trying to figure out how everything is wrapped all on the trampoline. So we got everything unwrapped, bagged it. The bag was just 2 times the size of the original bag. Oh no, before we bagged it, we taped everything so the sock was all the way open, but we did what you do on a monohull, and you don't have a sock, and then you just like take the tape, you know, the luff and the foot, and so at least you know there is no wraps. Bagged it, closed it, and then came back to the salon and said, let's have a cup of tea.
So how would you describe the first date with the symmetrical?
Yeah, she's not an easy lady. Yeah, I think the lesson learned is maybe drop the main first.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good experimenting. I mean, and it worked good for a while. So, yeah, but it's good to have seen it and be like, wow, we're sailing pretty good. You know, 170 at 8-9 knots. Right now we're doing like 10. On one way, you're sailing deeper. You're still moving pretty nice, so that's good. VNG Martinique is like, oh, we're right on run line right now. So, I mean, it's not bad to be doing like 9 straight on the run line. Even if you do 8 average, that's almost 200 nautical miles a day. We just crossed the 500 nautical mile left straight line. So anyway, we had a cup of tea. That meant Nikki had her AG1.
You look a bit tired.
Oh yeah, I mean that was. Then we went back to. We had to pull the suck all the way back, so use the length of the boat to do that. That was hard work. Bagged it again and dropped the main. So 2 people use the main halyard downhole reefing line. We dropped the main downwind. So did that, and then we hoisted the Spinnaker. We had a few bugs to clear, and eventually she went up, and now she's happy, and we're happy, and Nikki's taking a shower. I'm going to rinse off, and I think yeah, we're kind of ready to have a break.
Meanwhile, I slept through all of it and woke up to hear stories about it. So I'm not actually sure what kind of video footage we have of anything. But yeah, that's an interesting first date with our symmetrical Spinnaker. We're at 170 wind direction. We have about 17.5 to 18.5 knots of wind. And we are surfing downwind at 8 or 9 knots, sometimes 10. It's not bad. And lots of flying fish. I wanted to say a special thank you for our followers who joined us yesterday live from the middle of the ocean, not quite the middle, over half, for our live stream. And that was really fun. We weren't sure if Dottie was going to pull it out, but she did. And it was really fun for people to join us live. Thank you so much for making the time. I know it's really valuable. But it was a little morale booster as well for the crew. I mean, the vibe on the boat has been extremely positive. We've had a lot of fun. It's been calm-ish. Things happen, but overall, I think it's been a calm vibe. But for the new year, it was really, really great to start it with you guys. So thank you so much for joining. Our mainsail is taking a little nap. He's been working really hard this whole time. So he's having a spa day.
All together.